Hi there, RJ Weiss from the Ways to Wealth here. Want to give a video tutorial on Awardhacker. It's a very useful tool, but it's complicated. There's some intricacies that you need to know about, and it has its limitations. But if you understand what those limitations are, there's a lot you can get out of the tool itself. So homepage here, pretty sparse, but in a good way. You're entering, how it works. You want to enter where you're starting from and where you want to get to. Pretty simple. Here I'm giving you an example of what it looks like, what Awardhacker gives you on a trip from Chicago to Honolulu. All right. So what I find is best to explain this is take you through column by column of the information Awardhacker provides. So right here, we learn that on the first column is the logo of the airline loyalty program. So Awardhacker tells us that Singapore Airlines has flights from Chicago to Honolulu round trip. Those flights are priced at, according to Awardhacker, 25,000 miles per flight. They're typically a one-stop flight. And here you're going to have operated by Alaska Airlines. So that tells me this airline is part of an alliance or loyalty program with Alaska Airlines. So that's the airline you're going to be flying. And then on the transfer from column, we have what programs allow you to transfer points into the KrisFlyer program. So transfer from American Express Member Rewards, Chase Ultimate Rewards, Citi Thank You Points, Marriott Bonvoy. If they're not transferable from, you just won't see these highlighted up here. Okay? All right, moving on. Where I find Awardhacker great is searching for award availability. So if I wanted to get from Chicago to Tahiti, I would learn of the award availability on different airlines. I would start by going to Awardhacker. And what I find here, pretty hard award booking. And if I'm going to do anything, it's going to be with American Airlines. That's the only possible way Awardhacker tells me I can get from Chicago to Tahiti. On the other hand, I type a flight in from Chicago to Bermuda as an example. I get a lot more options. So I know there's a lot more to look at here when it comes to what Awardhacker and what airlines I can potentially book using Awardhacker. So here's where the limitations come in. The information on Awardhacker is not 100% accurate. There's a lot of small details that really add up when it comes to travel hacking, when it comes to booking an award flight. And it's important to then always go to the specific airline loyalty program and see that the information is accurate. So example here, I wanted to book a flight from Chicago to Bermuda. American Airlines caught my eye. Pretty good program for sign-up bonuses and earning points. And I could book for only 25,000 miles round trip. I log in to American Airlines, however, and what I get is a couple different options. I can book as low as 7,500 miles round trip. That is a round trip ticket from Chicago to Bermuda. So again, Awardhacker telling me 25,000 miles round trip, and I log into the loyalty program. These are economy web special, which doesn't allow you to switch the time of the flight. And I find I could actually book an award for as little as 7,500 miles on American AAdvantage. So this is very valuable information. The airline loyalty programs is where you're going to get the end result of what you're looking for. But that's why Awardhacker is really best as a starting point for your award flight searches. So it's best to see what airlines have award availability, what programs allow you to transfer those points in. So say you have a lot of Chase Ultimate Rewards and you're just researching flights, you would want to go to different flights. You could place here, I only have Chase Ultimate Rewards and now I'm going to search for that. So it's a great starting point. But here's the thing, you always, always, always want to check specifically with the airline directly of the information because it's really going to change based on season, based on availability and so forth in terms of what information, if the information is congruent on Awardhacker and American Airlines. So quick little rundown of how Awardhacker works. I like the tool for starting award flight searches. Again, when it comes to the end all be all. It's not going to be that perfect award search engine. There's just too much that goes into that and too much that can change. So that's why you always have to go into the loyalty programs to confirm any information. That's it for this video. If you like it, I have more travel hacking videos coming out, more personal finance coming out. Click subscribe below, click like button. Really appreciate it, and thank you.